Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be sponsored by RuiYu hair. And today they sent me a water wave 360 lace wig, and I must say that this wig is super pretty. I actually love this water wave pattern, and I love the fact that it's a 360 wig and I have room to part this wig wherever I like. What I love most about this wig is that I did not have to do any plucking whatsoever. All I had to do was bleach my knots and just go ahead and begin to put my lace on. And so today I will be doing a top ponytail style, and if you love this hair just as much as I do, the descriptions and everything to purchase this hair will be listed down below in the link, so make sure you guys check that out and use my coupon code as well. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing another wig install, and today's wig was sponsored by RuiYu hair. I'm not really sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but you do see the company in the beginning of this video. Now this is the water wave wig. I went ahead and bleached the knots, and I really didn't have to do no plucking to this wig like at all, so I was really happy about that. So this is the wig, and it is a 360 water wave unit, and I will actually be installing this wig using something that I seen in a hair store, and it's supposed to be new. And this is supposed to be something like the Got to Be gel, but it's from Eco Style. And if you guys don't know what that is, it's like the company that has that what's the shit called, the gel. It's like a clear gel. Like, I know some people use their gel for dreads, but this is from Eco Style, and it is called Get Glued, and it says front lace underwig styling bond with basil oil for scalp protection, extreme hold 48 hours, water based and alcohol free. And it says black castor and flaxseed oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what this is all about. I'm gonna give it a try, and just by opening it up, I see that it is white, so it's not like the black Got to Be gel. It's kind of similar to the Got to Be gel that's in the same yellow like container like this one. It's just so crazy to me how they made it look exactly like the Got to Be, but that's fine. But I'm gonna go I'm gonna go ahead and actually try this product out with laying down my wig in conjunction with the Got to Be glue spray can. So we will see how this works, but I hope you guys do enjoy this tutorial and stay tuned. So pretty much all I did was go ahead and cut off that lace and added foundation underneath my lace, and I'm just pulled the wig onto my head, and it's pretty much fitting perfectly, especially even on the sides. Like, I probably have to cut off less than, like, probably no more than 5 little centimeters of the lace from around my ears so that it can fit comfortably. And this is what the wig looks like. I did just spray a little bit of water on it, but it's not like dripping wet or anything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and actually begin to install this wig, and we're trying out this product, so let's see how this go, guys. This is my very first time using this, and you guys will see me use it live on camera. So I'm just gonna go ahead, and I already cleaned my skin with alcohol and everything like that, but because it is white and I'm really not a big fan of the Got to Be gel that's white, I'm just going to apply like a thin layer all across my hairline and just try to spread that out like really good, kind of like how I would spread it out if I was using any like lace glue. So I'm just gonna even go down to my sideburns. Okay, so clearly this is not working, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just move on to the next step and just see how it goes. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take my Got to Be spray and begin to spray that across the hairline and lay my lace down into this spray as usual and blow dry it and see maybe something magical will freaking happen at this point. So here we go. So this feels like it's down just a little bit, but I really can't tell as I try to pull it. Okay, in some places it was kind of tacked down, so I'm gonna just go ahead and cut off the extra lace, and then whatever is still lifting, I would just continue to go in with the got to be spray and tack it down. Okay, so now that I have all that tacked down with that got to be gel, I'm gonna go ahead and today I'll be using my Afro G mousse. I always use the Nairobis, but today I will be using the Afro G, and I'm going to actually apply this all over my hairline as usual, and then tie it down and let that dry completely, and then we will come back and style. So for those who wanted to know how long I keep the elastic band on, I keep it on for at least 10 to 15 minutes depending on how fast it dries, whether I'm blow drying it or I'm letting it just air dry on its own. But once I go ahead and I remove that, I'm just going to begin to section off where I'm going to have my baby hairs, and I'm going to, you know, section off those little sections on each side because I am doing a top ponytail for this style, for the style today. So I'm just going to section off where my baby hairs will be, or the hair I will be using for baby hairs, and I'm just going to comb that out because that mousse does make it a little bit firm. So I'm just going to do that on both sides, and then begin to part off the actual section that I will be ponytailing. I'm not doing all of the hair in a ponytail. I'm just going to do the top center part in a ponytail. So now that I do have that hair sectioned off, I'm just going to go ahead and secure it with a rubber band, and then I'm going to take just a thin piece of that curly hair that's in that ponytail part and wrap it around my rubber band to give it more of like a seamless, cute look. That's the way you can hide the rubber band, by actually taking a thin piece and just wrapping it around the hair, and securing it with either pump it up spritz or any holding spray will work just fine. So now that I have the ponytail nice and firm, now I'm going to go in, like I said, and take that thin piece to cover up that rubber band, because you don't want to just leave it like how you see it right now. It just doesn't make the look seem complete. So now that we have that ponytail area situated, now we're going to go ahead and begin to cut off the section where our baby hairs will be, like the hair that we're using for baby hairs. So I'm just going to take my eyebrow razor and chop that hair down on both sides, and then I'm going to go on with my moves to form my baby hairs. And I will not show the process of me doing the baby hairs on camera, but I will show you what it looks like before I tie it down and apply more mousse to the hairline before actually tying the baby hairs down as well. So once again, after you do tie down those edges, you want to wait up again 10 to 15 minutes before removing that. So here is what it looks like after I go ahead and remove that band. When I say this water wave wig is everything, like this is a 360 wig as I mentioned before, and I absolutely love the curl pattern. And I'm just going to go ahead and take my water bottle and just a little bit of conditioner and water and just lightly wet my hair. I did not want it to be soaking wet or dripping wet. I just wanted it to be wet enough to really show off that water wave curly pattern. And I'm just going to wet my ponytail area a little bit as well, and as the other side. Now you can wear this ponytail to the side, you can wear it to the back, or you can split it right down the middle. It's just whatever, you know, look you prefer to do. And I love this hairstyle. It is very cute, and whether you're using curly hair like this water wave wig, or if you're using straight hair, it's just like a perfect cute look. Something so simple, very schoolgirlish, you know. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial, and I hope you do enjoy this finishing look. I'm going to drop a video after playing in this section, and here it is. So like I said, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. All the details to this hair will be listed down in the description box. Once again, this hair is from RuiYu hair company, so go ahead and check them out, guys. I'll give them a big thumbs up. So till next time.